Mexico.
Culture. The culture of Mexico called product of a process of mixing indigenous practice and traditions with the Spanish colonial presence, which ended up producing an indelible mark in all vital aspects. There has always been a struggle of Mexicans throughout their story to define and promote the identity of their nation. Culture in Mexico is very rich, mixing elements from different periods from pre-Spanish and colonial to modern aspects. Cultural wealth is further nourished by the around 52 indigenous people, successors of pre-Hispanic societies, who speak different languages, of which Nahuatl has the highest number of speakers.
Costumes. The 15th party is called the most awaited moment for young teenagers because it marks a transcendent event in their lives. Mariachi is the most famous music genre in Mexico. This musical and cultural expression has been one of the most widespread in the world. November 2nd, Dia de Muertos, is a time for people to come together in Mexico and can remember their shared heritage and their loved ones who have passed away. The most popular thing there must be is bread of the dead, an altar and offering. Every Mexican should celebrate El Grito of September 16 for the Independence Day.
History. Mexico's history can be divided into three major periods. Before history, we have prehistory that unlike European history. The prehistory of America is divided into three periods: the Archaeolithic period, the Semitic, and the Proto-Neolithic. At the arrival of Europeans, Mexico has a mosaic of peoples and cultures. After the conquest during 300 years BC royalty, it was constituted in a country with a degree of homogeneity and common traits at the dawn of the 19th century with the independence that is achieved from the Spanish Empire. The process of a definite integration that gives rise the contemporary Mexico behind.
Language. Spanish may be the most spoken language in Mexico, but there are at least 68 indigenous languages, each of them with their respective linguistic variant or dialects, this being around 350.
You need to come visit this beautiful place.
Chichen Itza. It is the most famous Mayan city in the world, located in the state of Yucatan, 128 kilometers from Mérida in the direction of Cancun. It receives more than 1 million tourists each year.
Tulum. In this destination of Quintana Roo are combined culture, history and the best beaches in Mexico. The only archaeological area that sits by the sea. Ciudad de México, Mexico City, is one of the largest cities in the world. Here you find everything, well, almost everything, and it is that wherever you go there is wild something to do or see.
Teotihuacan, 50 kilometers from Mexico City. Teotihuacan, called City of the Gods, preserves the vestiges of one of the most important civilizations in Mesoamerica.
Cuisine. They have to try the most requested food. Mexican food consists of a series of delicious dishes such as cochinita pibil, pozole, tamales, etc. However, the delicacy of such rich and sometimes very spicy flavors is due to the combinations of ingredients of pre-Hispanic and European origin. With this you will make your stomach very happy.